As you can see in this screen, today we learn how to install Java. For the same, first we have to do this type of step. First we have to download the Java software. Then we will learn how to install it. Then we will learn how to set up the environment variable. And then finally we will check after installations, is my installations working properly or not. So our first step, download Java software. So how to do that?
Go to your web browser.
Then here type Java Oracle and then enter. Then you can get the Oracle India Java software, this link. Click it here. It will redirect to oracle.com/in/java. Okay, and here you can get options like download Java. Click it here. So once you click here, so it will redirect this link. I will share this link in descriptions. You can directly go from there as well. As you can see in this screen, currently the latest versions is Java 18, and if I bit scroll it down, so here you can get the different system options are also available for download. Okay, so Linux, Macs, Windows. So for my case it's Windows machines, so I click it here. Okay, and here you can see different type of installer are available for download. Okay, so for my case it's a 64-bit and I will download this installer. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on the right hand side link. So let me click it here. So once I click it, so you can see that one download of this JDK 18 okay started. It will take few seconds to download based on your network speed. Now you can see my download is done successfully. Now let me go to the folder where I download it. So this is the software I download. Now let me go to my PPT again. So my first step, download of Java software is done. Then what is the next step? Next step is install Java. So once you download, okay, so you have to go to that particular folder where you download that one. Okay, for my case I have downloaded this file here. Okay, now to install that one you have to double click here. So let me double click it here. So once you double click, it will open a window where you can see welcome to installations wizard for Java AC development kit 18.0.2. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the next button. So let me click it here. Now here you can see this will install the Java AC development kit 18.0.2 and it is for 64-bit which required 420 MB on your hard drive. So you have to make sure that this amount of space available in your hard disk, okay, or hard drive. Then click on the next button, but before that you can see here there is the folder options where it by default trying to install your Java software. For my case it's a C program file. Then it will create a Java folder under this program file, and under that Java folder there will be a subfolder JDK-18.0.2. This will system automatically create that one. If you want to change your folder location, you can change it from here, but for the time being I am putting it as it is, okay, as default. Okay, but you have to remember this folder because this will will be used in our next step when we will go to set up environment variable. So I am putting it as a default. Now click on the next button. So once you click on the next button you can see a status progress bar. So it's mean my installation is started. It will take bit time, so just wait for that. Okay, now you can see the Java AC development kit 18.0.2 successfully installed. Okay, so if you need to check the tutorial, you can click on this next step. I am for the time being closing this one window because my installation is done successfully. Okay, let me close it. Now let me go to my PPT again. So my first step and second step is done. What is the next step? Next step is I have to set up environment variable. So for that, what you have to do, so you have to first go to your this PC or your my computer, right click here, go to the properties. Okay, then it will open a window, then scroll it bit down. Here you can get a link advanced system setting, click it here. It will open another pop-up where you can get environment variable button. So you can go directly from here, or other options is you can search environment variable here, environment, type it here, environment. Okay, so you can see options, edit the system environment variable, click it here, and it will directly go to the same pop-up or window. Here you have options environment variable button, click it here. Now you have two options, user variable for admin or system variable. Better you go for the system variable to set up your path. Okay, so instead of this, I am trying to set my path here. Okay, now before set up your environment variable, okay, you have to know where actually your Java has been installed. Okay, so for my case, it it is basically C, then program file, under program file Java, and here you can see the JDK 18.0.2. Okay, so what you have to do, if you go to this JDK 18,0,2, here you can get options bin. So here you can right click and copy the address, and simply go to your path and select this path, edit this one, and then click on the new button and paste it here and make it okay. So this is one options. Other options that you can create a Java home folder, Java home variable. Okay, so for the same you have to click on this new, type here Java underscore home. Try to make this Java underscore home all are in capital letter. Now what, this is variable name. Now what is the variable value? Again you have to go to your installed folder. So this is my installed folder. Here you have to copy the folder URL or folder locations till JDK 18.0 before the bin folder. Okay, so I copied it from here. Okay, then you have to just paste the same address in your variable values. Okay, now make it okay. So you can see my Java home path is set up, and that is till JDK 18.0.2. Now how to set the path? So again you click on the path, edit it here. Now click again on new. So you have already set up till JDK. Okay, that folder. So under the variable Java home. So here you type percentage Java underscore home, same variable name that you put on the time of variable creations here. Okay, now here again you have to go till the folder bin. Okay, so that's mean I have to make a slash bin here, right? So my this is done like this. Now here you have to create a slash bin. So what you set it here, percentage Java underscore home slash bin. So once this is done, make it okay. So that's mean in your path variable the Java home already set up. See the Java home underscore Java home slash bin. Okay, this is done. Now make all this okay. So my environment variable now set up properly. Okay, now let me go to my PPT again. So I have set up the environment variable. Now what I have to check, I have to check that after environment variable setup and the installations is done properly, is it working properly or not. Okay, for that what you have to do, you have to go to the command prompt. So let me go to the command prompt. So here you have to search cmd command prompt. Okay, click it here. Now here you have to just type Java space double hyphen version. Now enter. So if your installations done properly, everything setup is okay, so you can get the versions of your installed file. So for my case, I was installed 18.0.2 and that is coming here. So java space double hyphen versions, it execute this result. So my versions is 18.0.2, and if it's come this way or without any error, so you can understand that yes, you are now ready to create any java program. So if I now go to my ppt again to conclude what we did till now, so let me go to my ppt again. So the total step I have done, I've downloaded java software, then how to install java, that we actually check. Then we have set up the environment variable. I have explained number of options to set up the environment variable. Then I have checked the java versions from command prompt. Hope you can understand and you can able to set up and install your java in your machine.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.